My dear students, take my cordially affection. How are you? I seems to be that you are well and good. I request all of you to attend online class regularly. Online class is so much beneficial to you at that present situation. I also advise you to that all you will be learn important topics and lessons in time to time at your residence. I am MD Ruhul Amin, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Ghulam Mustafa Model College. Today I shall discuss about you mathematics second paper in chapter 1 real numbers. At first I discuss the classification of real numbers. Look at the whiteboard. Dear students, real numbers. Real number, there are two types of real number: rational number, irrational number. There are two types of rational number: integer number, fraction number. There are three types of integer number: positive integer, zero, negative integer. There are three types of positive integer: prime number, 1, composite number. There are two types of composite number: even number, odd number. Now fraction number. There are two types of fraction number: simple fraction, decimal fraction. There are three types of simple fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. There are two types of decimal fraction: finite decimal fraction, infinite decimal fraction. Now I shall explain them in details. Real number. Sum of the rational number and irrational number is called real number. There are two types of real number: rational number, মূল সংখ্যা. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p, q both are integers, q not equal to 0, those are called rational number. As for example, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, etc. Irrational number. The numbers, irrational number অমূল সংখ্যা. The numbers which can not be expressed in the form of p by q, where pq are not integer, q not equal to 0, those are called irrational number. Rational number is, there are two types of rational number: integer number. Integer number, all the positive integer number is formed by all the positive integers, 0 and negative integers. Now positive integers, the integers those are greater than 0 are called positive integers. 0 is non-positive, non-negative, but taken to be positive. Negative integers, the integers those are less than 0 are called negative integers. There are three types of positive integers: prime number, মৌলিক সংখ্যা, the number which is greater than 1 and it has no divisors except 1 and itself, those are called prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite, but it is taken to be natural number. Composite number, যৌগিক সংখ্যা. The numbers which can be divisible by another number except 1 and itself, those are called composite number. There are two types of composite number, even number, odd number. Even number জোড় সংখ্যা, the numbers which is divisible by 2, those are called even number. Odd number, the number which is not divisible by 2, those are called odd number. Now we discuss fraction number. Fraction, there are two types of fraction, simple fraction, decimal fraction. Simple fraction is divided into three parts. At first, proper fraction, প্রকৃত ভগ্নাংশ. If the numerator is less than the denominator of any fraction, then it is called proper fraction. As for example, 2/3, 3/5, etc. Improper fraction, if the numerator is greater than denominator of any fraction, then it is called improper fraction, such that 3/2, 5/3, etc. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is formed by on integer part and a proper fraction combinedly form mixed fraction. As for example, on সমস্ত 2 এর 1, 3 সমস্ত 3 এর 2, etc. Decimal fraction is divided into two parts, finite decimal fraction, infinite decimal fraction. Finite decimal fraction is formed, fraction is such that 5.12, 3.132 and infinite decimal fraction 2.12 পৌনঃপুনিক, 3.57 পৌনঃপুনিক. Those are called infinite decimal fraction. I request all of you, always remember the classification of real number. It is so much important in your mathematics, in your real life. So all of you remember this in your heart. Okay, next class I shall discuss about you the imaginary number and classification of real number, imaginary numbers. Thanks to all up to that time.